Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog, and as you must have guessed from the title of this video, I am in search of a last minute wedding guest outfit from scratch.
Oh my god! Wow!
I don't have anything to wear यार. This is the story of my life. मेरे पास चाहे कितने भी कपड़े, पापा मम्मी बहुत परेशान है, चाहे मेरे पास कितने भी कपड़े अंदर रखे हों, बट ठीक है, हमें रिपीट नहीं करना. हमने इंस्टाग्राम पे फोटो डाल दी है, अब हमें हर वेडिंग के लिए एक न्यू आउटफिट चाहिए. So
Really, nigga?
So yes, so it's a very last minute idea, and previously, because Corona is going on, we didn't even know that we are attending this wedding or not. So yes, I am going to a boutique वाली दीदी जो मेरा outfits काफ़ी साल से मतलब stitch करवाती हूँ मैं वहाँ से. So she is the best at this last minute. I can only trust her. And तो अब मैं उनके पास जा रही हूँ. उनके साइड में ही एक फैब्रिक वाले भैया की दुकान है, वहाँ से मैं फैब्रिक लेने वाली हूँ और दीदी को देने वाली हूँ. मोस्टली आई थिंक आई विल गो विद अ हेवी लुकिंग सूट. मैंने कल थोड़ा सा रात को पिंटरेस्ट पे देखा, तो मुझे जो दिखा, आई थिंक आई एम गोना गो विद लाइक अ प्रिंट ऑन प्रिंट, जैसे व्हेनेवर इट्स अ विंटर वेडिंग इन्विटेशन, बिकॉज इन समर्स वी गो विद शिफॉन्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट व्हेन इट्स अ विंटर वेडिंग इन्विटेशन, मेरे दिमाग में सिर्फ ब्रोकेट सिल्क एंड वेलवेट यही आता है. एंड बट आई एम नॉट गोना गो विद वेलवेट. आई एम मोर इंक्लाइन टूवर्ड्स ब्रोकेट. सो आजकल मैंने काफ़ी सारे ऐसे सूट्स देखे हैं जो कि प्रिंट ऑन प्रिंट. आई सॉ रवीना टंडन्स पोस्ट ऑल्सो, शी वॉज ऑल्सो वेयरिंग अ लहंगा, बट आई थिंक आई एम गोना अवॉइड लहंगा राइट नाउ, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लहंगे पड़े और वो एक ही बार पहनने होते हैं. सूट्स स्टिल यू कैन वेयर ऑन मल्टीपल ओकेजन्स. सो येस, आई थिंक आई एम गोना गेट अ सूट स्टिच्ड. एंड आई वॉज प्रीवियसली thinking I have a Banarsi, like a heavy Banarsi chunni, and I was previously thinking that to get a black silk suit stitched which has a little shine on it, and carry that Banarsi dupatta with it, so it will look really good, because Banarsi dupatta ka kya hai ki you can get a plain suit stitched, and then they can they'll enhance any suit. So abhi main kuch zyada nahi bol rahi, abhi I don't have any color or anything in my mind, so let's see, but yeah, probably it's gonna be a suit, and let's go. And there's a dog barking. Okay, also guys, ये वाला जो मेकअप है मुझे काफ़ी ड्यू वाइब दे रहा है. आज मैं ये कर रही थी जब, तो मुझे करते करते ड्यू वाइब आ रही थी काफ़ी, तो आई रियली लाइक इट. थोड़ा सा ये ख़राब सा बन गया है, बट ठीक है, अभी टाइम नहीं है, तो ठीक है. एंड आई हैव टू पुट lipstick on. Neon liner is from LA Girl, and this blue liner is from I think Nykaa, Blue Hex or something like that. I'll leave it in the description below. And I'm wearing an H&M sweater which I really like. H&M पे काफ़ी अच्छी winter collection आ गई है. So yeah, let me know if you want to see like a H&M winter clothing haul, because I shop a lot from H&M. And yes, so I have applied this nude lipstick from Maybelline. It's in the shade 70 Amazonian, and I really love the nude color of it. And yeah, I think it's good to go. Hello mommy. Hello Ashi. ये वाला ब्लू भैया, ये ब्लू ब्रोकेट दिखाना. हाँ, ये मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. पैंट इसकी बन जाए और ऊपर, बट इसमें कोई और कलर. मुझे येलो भी अच्छा, पेस्टल भी. हाँ,
बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कलर है. अब इसके साथ आप ऐसे कंट्रास्ट ले सकते हो, बहुत प्यारा लगेगा बनके. मतलब
ये इसका वो और नीचे वो पैंट. हाँ,
इस टाइप से देखिए.
This is like too झटाक. तो भैया ने मुझे अभी दीपिका पादुकोण का डिज़ाइन दिखाया है, तो भैया दिखाना. So this is Deepika Padukone wearing this design.
नीचे वाला
And can you see like closely? And भैया के पास, ये लो भैया,
ये कितने का है भैया?
भैया के पास सेम
वाला है ना मुझे अच्छा लगेगा ये।
सब्यसाची कंसेप्ट है.
200 रुपए का दी 200 रुपए
सही लगेंगे ना? So guys, I have given the fabric to boutique wali didi and I hope it turns out good. It's a pretty basic simple outfit like print on print. So like a straight fit long brocade kurti and with brocade pants, and I'm gonna take like Banarsi dupatta over it. So it's pretty basic and she's gonna take like 2-3 days to stitch it. Yes, fingers crossed. I hope it turns out good and yes, let's see.
Day 2.
Hi guys, so today is day 2 and today I'm gonna go and collect that outfit. It's ready and she only took like 2 days to stitch it, which is amazing. And yes, I hope it is good. And yeah, so with my makeup, I've kept my makeup really minimal today. And I am wearing this pathetic lip products, which I really regret buying. It's from, it's the NYX lingerie lipstick in Exotic, liquid lipstick in shade Exotic. And then there is this NYX butter gloss in the shade Rocky Road. And yeah, I mean, I ordered it. I saw it on NYX Instagram page and I really thought that, you know, it will suit me. But it's not at all, you know, my thing. I actually, you know, expected it to be like a rusty mauve kind of color. The color which has, you know, Color Bar Hotte Latte lipstick has. That's my favorite lipstick. And while going out, I'm gonna, you know, change this lipstick. And I'm wearing like layers because it's like too cold in Delhi. So this is turtleneck. I really love turtlenecks in winters, and this is a sweater. So about the outfit, guys, I'm actually really excited because the thing is, I told you the other day that I saw Raveena Tandon wearing brocade over brocade, like she was wearing a like a blouse and a skirt. And I saw in the description that it was from the brand Raw Mango, and I visited this website and I saw that they have like a wide variety of you know, full brocade over brocade suits and these skirts and lehengas, and they are like super expensive. I think the simple suit, like this kind of suit that I am getting stitched, is 40,000 on their website, and like that is like super expensive. So I'm happy if I'm like if I'm able to, you know, get an outfit which is like little you know, similar to it, and in like, I don't know, 4-5,000. I'll let you know the cost you know, later once I, you know, go to the boutique and, you know, collect the outfit. And yes, I'm very excited to try it out and show it to you guys. So yes, I'm getting late. I'm just gonna remove this lipstick and get my like signature nude lip back. Yes, let's go. So we are leaving and मुझे मेरा भाई आशु लेके जा रहा है, and इसका बेचारे का कोई काम नहीं है, बट ये मुझे पिछली बार भी सूट मतलब जब मैं फैब्रिक लेने और दीदी के पास गई थी तब भी ये मुझे लेके गया था, and now when I'm going to collect it, he is only taking me. So I love you, Ashu. Say hi. So yes guys, I have collected the outfit. अभी ना मेरे मन में एक गाना चल रहा है, वो वाला मैं अभी घर से सुन के आ रही थी, Rowdy Baby. That's my favorite song. फेवरेट सॉन्ग। तो अभी पता नहीं क्यों मेरे मन में वो गाना चल रहा है। आई डोंट नो द लिरिक्स एट ऑल, बस मुझे राउडी बेबी सुनाई देता है। नाउ आई एम हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स होम गाइस एंड आई एम गोना गो एंड ट्राई दिस आउटफिट with dupatta and yes, I'll show it to you guys. So yes guys, that's all for today's vlog and I really liked how this outfit turned out, and although it's a little loose but I think I'm gonna manage and मैं कुछ थोड़ा सा कच्चा टाका लगा के थोड़ा सा fit कर लूँगी and yes and yeah, I really love its colors. So this whole outfit costed me around 5,300. The stitching of this suit and pants was 1,600. This dupatta was 1,450, which I bought it separately. And next the rest of it, this fabric, this yellow brocade fabric, yeah, the rest is the cost of this fabric. And yeah, I think which is pretty amazing. I'm really happy with it. So yes guys, that's all for today's vlog, and this is gonna be a part 1 of wedding guest outfit from scratch. Please stay tuned for the part 2 of this vlog, which is gonna be a get ready with me, and in that I'm gonna do a wedding guest makeup look, and I'm gonna style this outfit with earrings, with shoes, and yeah, I'm gonna share it with you guys. Yeah, I can't wait to wear it and style it and click like so many pictures and post it on Instagram.
Okay.
So yes. And yes, with this we have come to an end, and if you liked this vlog, please give it a big fat thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, bye.